Today we have FindingNick's cars here.
I don't even know if they're actually gonna save it.
But now when you see it coming together, the look's just gonna be crazy.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have FindingNick's cars here. You guys see it? It's wrapped currently in a Nosatech. Great film. It's been about 5 years he's mentioned that it's been on. We're gonna just absolutely revamp this car. Not only are we gonna revamp it, but Vor and FindingNick are gonna collab and create their own color. It's like making a baby. They're gonna make a brand new color for this vehicle. It's gonna get done here, Premium OC, Irvine, California, where we work on everything. Rewrapped, fully finalized, and then we're gonna do an unveiling as well. So you guys won't see the color unveiled until it gets announced on Instagram. So make sure to follow us, follow Nick, follow everybody involved, Vor, Nick, Premium. We're gonna be hosting this car most likely at an unveiling event. Probably at Cars and Coffee or E&E, Exotics and Espressos, whichever one works out in that timeline, but it's gonna get done here. Keep watching this episode. Nick's outside deciding on a color, and yeah, we're gonna get started on this. Boom. Yeah, there's like literally handprints on this vehicle, dog. It's fucking crazy, bro. Like, who does that? Probably from trying to close the hood. Yeah, literally, for sure. Because the lashes are on the side. This guy, look, it's missing a vent. This car's seen it's seen better days.
Clapped out.
It's a clapped out Beamer.
Clapped out, bro. I don't even know if they're actually gonna save it.
It is, bro. When we do it, it is.
It's this bad.
The logos still look very fresh, bro.
Yeah, hey, you know what does look good on this? The engine bay, bro.
The engine bay?
Yeah, it's actually nice. I'm proud of the engine bay. Surprisingly, it looks really
latch?
good. I think it's in the middle again.
Damn,
See?
bro. Oh, that's armor all, bro.
Yeah.
This dude's
this
tires
looks
shine
good,
all
huh?
over. Yeah, this looks great. They call this the last real M, bro.
Yeah. I took out the rest of it. Most of it. You took off the motor? Yeah. No,
Right behind me, guys, is also a 911 992 Turbo S. Beautiful vehicle. What we did to it was actually just installed the KW adjusting sports springs. Makes a huge difference. It's like the best you could possibly do to your Porsche. Fitment is absolutely perfect on this vehicle now. Hit us up for your guys' suspension needs. We also do body kits for these vehicles. 911s are probably one of the most common cars we have in this building. From 911 Turbo S's to GT3s to the RS's. We do it all, guys. Carbon fiber, wheel, suspension. This car got just a taste of it, just suspension for now. Down the line, we'll probably go with a full body kit for this client. But overall, this thing looks absolutely great. We're gonna wash this car up, get it delivered back to the client. The client should be happy. So hit us up if you guys need anything related to Porsches. We'll get you dialed in perfect. Oh, fucking
Like Teresa. Yeah, I just need to like dry them off. I'm drying them off.
Actually, we had a detailing business, me and my pops.
really?
Yeah, bro.
That's fire.
So I know how to do everything we do from A to Z, bro. I know how to detail a whip. I know how to wrap a whip.
That's why you're such a stickler about getting your car. That's what Jake told me.
A stickler?
He's like,
It's called a stickler.
yeah, bro.
I'm getting clever, yeah. Special deliveries out. Special deliveries out. On the way. I'm on that midday hustle and I'm hitting my stride. Clock ticking, never missing.
Back in the shop, guys. It is Thursday. We have a beautiful X6M competition right here. We're gonna be installing a Valvetronic exhaust. Huge difference. Shout out to Valvetronic. Shout out to Brandon for trusting us with this vehicle. We also have a 987 came in. We just did simple headlight PPF, but if you guys were to see these headlights right before we PPF them, they were a little bit hazy, a little bit yellow. This just brought it right back to life. This is a necessary key install for every single vehicle out there on the road. If you love your car, if you drive your car hard, get your headlights PPF. It's like wearing shades in the desert. You need it. Like, it's just gonna get dust in your eyes, it's gonna get rock chips in your eyes. Those are ideally the eyes of your vehicle. Protect your eyes, guys.
Come on. Hot, sicker than your average. Papa twist cabbage off instinct. Niggas don't think shit stink. Pink gators, my Detroit players. Tim's for my hooligans in Brooklyn. Dead right, if the head right, Biggie there, air night. Papa been school since days of under rules. Never lose, never choose to. Bruise, cruise, who? Do something to us. Talk, go through us. Girls want to us, wanna do us. Screw us, who us? Yeah, Papa and Puff. Close like Starsky and Hutch. Stick to clutch. Yeah, I squeeze 3 at your cherry M3. Bang every MC easily. Take that.
Headlight PPF, hit us up, Irvine, California. Contact us now. But let's get into this X6. We got a Valvetronic exhaust still boxed up. We got Jace, the Mace, in the building.
What up, bro? What's up, man?
That's a lot of cough syrup, bro. That's an awful lot of cough syrup. We have the X6 Valvetronic. Mike's gonna be doing the install. As you can see, we have it up in the air right now, kind of letting the exhaust cool down. But we're gonna throw some sound clips in the video right now. Get to see what the sound with the car. We're gonna throw some. Getting a phone call. We're gonna throw some sound clips of what current exhaust sounds like. Get to hear that, and then we're gonna go ahead and show you guys what the exhaust sounds like after we do the install. It's gonna be night and day difference. Valvetronic, headlight PPF, hit us up. Watch Mike go ahead and get into this install. We'll show you guys what the Valvetronic exhaust can truly do to the X6M.
Is that it right there?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I know, bro. Hey, whatever we don't need, don't mind with it.
Shot Jason's lower now.
Yeah, I know. Well, I'm waiting for him to actually lower it.
Grab on that one.
What?
Yeah. Well, honestly, it does not look like the right exhaust.
What is that?
X5.
It says X5 on the box?
It says X5, yeah. It says X5 right there.
Oh, wait. Everybody, pause. This isn't for an X6. This is for an X5. The reason why we have this extra one is we had an X5 in the building. But it's probably a different undercarriage, bro.
I mean,
It has like a little
different.
bit longer wheelbase.
It's different because the...
Well, because clearly it goes longer, too.
Yeah, no, this one's shorter than the X5.
It's still the same. It's still S52.
What are we gonna do? It's just, luckily it's just Brandon. Luckily it's just Brandon.
Anything, if you start the car up now, it's what's going to sound like with the exhaust on and the valves open. It's going to sound the exact same.
Sorry, Brandon.
Yeah, dude, imagine rocking no exhaust, just ends there.
Yeah, in his
That's
actual
fucking insane.
him driving it, he'd literally be shaking under it.
Oh yeah, dude, this shit would be vibrating like a motherfucker, bro. He would hate it.
Yeah, like it all matches, but it's just
short.
that part. This, just the front part doesn't make sense.
I would say just start from the rear. Let's start from the rear.
You have to start from the
You gotta
front.
start from the
No, I know, but assemble the rear and like kind of go
The
that
rear
way.
is fine. The rear, the rear looks fine. The front, there's no pieces to line up to the front.
Valvetronic, you got us fucked up, bro. This is crazy. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys need wrap, vinyl wrap, PPF, window tint, ceramic coating,
anything auto customization, we got you. Down to the link below, you'll find all of our contact information. We'll throw it on the screen here. If not, we'll see you guys in the next one.